How to save money faster in 2025. In 2025, the economy is constantly changing, and it's becoming harder to keep up with financial demands. Whether you're saving for a new car, a home, or just building your emergency fund, the need to save money faster is more important than ever. The good news is, there are strategies that can help you boost your savings, even with inflation and rising costs. In this video, we're going to explore actionable steps that will help you save money faster and achieve your financial goals sooner. Automate your savings to build consistency. When it comes to saving money faster, consistency is key. One of the easiest ways to ensure you're saving regularly is to automate the process. Setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account ensures you're saving each month without thinking about it. You can set this up to happen as soon as you receive your paycheck, so you won't even miss the money. Cut back on subscriptions and unnecessary expenses. It's easy to overlook the money you're spending on subscriptions and other recurring expenses. Streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions can all quietly drain your bank account. When you add up all these small costs, it's no surprise that you're not saving as much as you could. Start by reviewing all your monthly subscriptions. Are there any you're not using regularly? Whether it's a streaming service you haven't watched in months or an app that you signed up for but rarely use, cutting back on these subscriptions can free up a surprising amount of cash. Redirect that money into a high-yield savings account or investment to watch it grow faster. Reevaluate your housing and transportation costs. Housing and transportation are typically the largest expenses for most people. In 2025, with rising rent and gas prices, these costs can eat up a significant portion of your budget. But there are ways to cut back without sacrificing too much. For housing, consider downsizing, getting a roommate, or moving to a less expensive area if possible. Embrace the side hustle economy. The gig economy is thriving in 2025, and it's easier than ever to pick up a side hustle to boost your income. By taking on part-time freelance work or offering a service like babysitting or pet sitting, you can increase your monthly income and save faster. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit make it simple to find clients in need of your skills. If you already have a full-time job, consider working evenings or weekends on a side hustle. Refinance or consolidate your debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to saving money faster. If you're paying high interest on credit cards or loans, it's taking longer to get ahead financially. Refinancing or consolidating your debt can lower your interest rates and monthly payments, giving you more room in your budget to save. For example, if you have multiple credit cards with varying interest rates, consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate can make your monthly payments more manageable. Refinancing options for student loans or mortgages can also lower your payments, allowing you to put the extra money toward your savings. By reducing your debt burden, you free up more funds for your future. Focus on high-interest savings accounts or investment accounts. To save money faster in 2025, it's important to make your savings work for you. Instead of letting your money sit in a low-interest savings account, consider putting it in a high-yield savings account or an investment account. While a traditional savings account may offer little to no interest, high-yield accounts offer much higher returns, helping your money grow faster. If you're saving for the long term, consider opening a retirement account like an IRA or 401k. ShopSmart take advantage of sales and discounts. In 2025, shopping smarter can be a game changer for your savings goals. From holiday sales to daily discounts, there are many opportunities to save money on your everyday purchases. Start by making a list before shopping to avoid impulse buys, which can quickly add up. Meal prep and cook at home. Food costs have been steadily rising, but one of the easiest ways to save money faster in 2025 is by cooking at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can drain your budget, especially if it's a habit. By meal prepping and cooking in bulk, you can save money and ensure you always have a meal ready to go. Start by planning your meals for the week and buying ingredients in bulk. Preparing meals in advance will not only save you money but also time throughout the week. You can also consider meal planning apps that offer cost-effective recipes tailored to your preferences and dietary restrictions. Meal prepping makes it easier to avoid expensive impulse buys, helping you save more. Cut down on luxuries and lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, but luxury purchases and lifestyle inflation can quickly undermine your savings efforts. It's essential to avoid the trap of keeping up with the Joneses and prioritize your financial goals instead. Ask yourself if you really need the latest gadget, a new car, or an expensive vacation. Focus on what truly adds value to your life, and consider cutting back on the luxuries you don't truly need. By controlling your lifestyle inflation, you'll be able to save more money and build wealth faster. Conclusion: saving money faster in 2025 is not about drastic sacrifices, it's about making smarter choices and developing good financial habits. By automating your savings, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and making your money work for you through high-interest accounts or investments, you can fast-track your financial goals. The key is consistency. Stick to your budget, avoid lifestyle inflation, and set clear goals that will keep you motivated. Saving money faster is within your reach, and with the right strategies, you will be able to build wealth and achieve financial freedom in no time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial tips to help you save smarter and reach your goals faster.